What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage. And as you can see, we are inside of the car of my 2023 Honda Civic. We're going to be doing a little mod to the interior of the car. What I have here in my hand is a very small mod, but I think if you're anything like me, you like accents inside of your car. So as you can see, there's a lot of red details when it comes to the inside of this car. I love a red accented interior. So today, we have this small little mod that we got from Amazon. Should be pretty quick and easy. So let's open this up and see what we got. And right away, we got this button cover for our outlet that we're going to be installing right over here. And right off the bat, guys, it's a pretty bright red. It's a little more red than any of my other accents. These are kind of more of like a metallic red that we have here, but I do like the red. It's more of a cherry red. It pops, and actually it feels pretty weighty. It feels like it's made out of metal. It does come with double-sided tape on the back here. It's basically, we're just going to peel it off and then just lay it over the existing cover. Let's go ahead and just kind of dry fit it and see how it looks. So here is our outlet cover. And let's just go ahead and just put it over there so we can just dry fit it to see how it fits. And looks like it fits pretty well. What we're going to do next is we're going to peel the backing off and then just stick it on. All right, there's that. And that's what it looks like. Okie dokie, let's go ahead and lay it over our existing cover. Push down a little bit. All right, that should do it. And there you go. Cool, looks pretty good. I think it fits nicely over the existing cap. There you go. Awesome. That was a pretty simple install. Quick little mod. Now we got a little bit of red popping on the inside, just like the rest of it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not? Is it lame? Is it cool? Will you get it? Will you not get it? Again, I got it off of Amazon, so I can put the link in the description if you do decide that you want this mod. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like maybe 10, 15 bucks or something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head, but there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Lou Bar's Garage, and we'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.